Really, the most important thing about this whole series of events is we want that person to see success and to build confidence over time so that they are being able to feel that they have the power, they have the ability to tackle those things that are still scary, but you know what? I can handle that. Really, with all gap years, all mental health gap years, we really want to see that success. We want to see progress and forward movement. And that's going to look different for everyone, a different pace, but it does not look like sitting in your room by yourself, just talking to people through text. We really want them to engage with the world around them and to be able to have that forward movement in finding those systems, finding those supports, and finding a way to live a happy and fulfilling life, whether you are improving your mental health or you're learning how to live with some of the challenges that exist for you. That is so valuable, and perhaps the biggest gift that a gap year can give to a young person is moving forward past the gap year with a toolkit of things that are going to support and help them. So with so many young people identifying that they need time to improve their mental health, and that becomes a major reason for taking a gap year, it is really, really important that this gap time is used appropriately, because we really want it to be used and we want it to have the desired effect. We want it to be a time to address those challenges and to improve mental health rather than digging that trench deeper and becoming a recluse and having those bigger challenges. So if this is your situation, if you're a young person looking to create a gap year plan that helps you with your mental health, or you are a parent and hearing that this might be something that's helpful for your young person, I want you to take the advice in here, in this podcast, in this episode, and I want you to see if you can apply it to the plans that you're putting in place for that upcoming gap year, or for the remainder of the gap year. If you found this halfway through your gap year, how can you apply these tips and these ideas to what you are going to do on your gap year or the rest of your gap year? Now, as always, this is just a podcast, and your situation might look a little bit different, and we are here to help you. Do not hesitate to reach out and book a free call with us. We want to see you be successful. We want to help and support you. So please, the link is in the show notes, or you can go to the website and book a call with us. We want to be able to help you make sure that this gap year is going to be so successful, and that at the end of the gap year, you can see the progress and see how your mental health has improved and what that toolkit looks like moving forward. So my friends, I hope this was helpful. And until next time, keep on adventuring.